How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can clip Apex Legends with Medal. So the first thing that you want to do is to head over to Medal application. And from here, you just want to set everything up from your hotkey, your recordings, your quality, and more. The most important thing is to set your hotkey and set the duration of your clip. So in my case, I'm going to be setting mine into this specific hotkey with this duration right here, which is 15 seconds. From there, you then want to open up the Apex Legends application. Basically, it's going to be the same for every applications out there. So I'm going to use Counter-Strike as an example. You just want to make sure that it's open up. And then in here, you want to click on the now clipping option. You can just click on it, and then you will be able to see Apex Legends right here. If not, click add game, add another game, and then you can see all of the open applications on your window on this specific tab. So just click on Apex Legends, and then it will be detected. So in my case, I'll just click on the switch button, and then now it will say that it's ready to clip. So just head over to Apex Legends, press your hotkey, and then it will simply clip our medal right here. So you can find it inside library, which is going to be this one. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.